Yo, what's up, my kids? Hope you had a good weekend. We're back at it for another week of online YouTube learning. So, it's April 27th, 2020. I can't believe that the month is already almost over and we're going to be about to get into May. But we must move onward and work hard. So, today we are working on finding the area of a polygon through decomposition. Okay, and what does decomposition means? It means we're gonna break it down. We're gonna break down our shape to maybe one or two more familiar shapes. All right. So, like I tell you every day in school and on these videos, I'm no Picasso, right? So I'm gonna try my best to draw this shape. I'm gonna do number one in our problem set for today. All right. So we got one of these. 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 We got this. Okay, that's not that bad. That's pretty good. All right. So now let me mark it up. I got A, B, C, D. This is E right here. And this is F. So here's what I like to do. Before I even start this problem, I want to label everything that I know so it can help me out, all right? So if AB equals 20, so here's 20 right here. Excuse my son, he's over here with me. FE is 12, so this is 12. AF is 9. Where's AF? AF is 9. And DE is 12. Where's DE? DE, here. So this is 12. Two 12s, yep. Find the length of the other two sides, then find the area of the polygon. All right, let's check it out. So, what can I do here? Well, I'm going to mark this up here, like this. Okay? And let's see what happens. So if this whole thing is 20, right? That means if I created an imaginary line over here to cut off my shape, right? That would tell me that this whole thing is 20. Okay? So if this whole thing's 20, I know this whole thing has to be 20. But since I know that this here is 12, I'm pretty much missing this piece right here, right? So there's a couple ways I could do this. I can just ask myself, what is gonna get me to 20, right? Or I can just subtract 20 minus 12 to find out what this is here, right? So, right off the top of my head, I know that 20 minus 12 is 8. So I know this is 8, which tells me that our blank area here is 8. Okay? CD or DC equals 8. So, the other shape or side that I need to find is going to be BC right here. Okay? So, what's going to help me with this? Well, if I'm looking at my imaginary line, the whole thing here is equal to the whole thing here, right? We got a rectangle here, so these two sides are the same, and these two sides are the same, okay? So, let's see. If I know that this is 9 and this is 12, all you got to do is add them up. Because look, this piece transfers to this piece, right? So essentially, this is the same as this. So if this is 12, this means this piece here is 9, this piece here is 12. So my whole line here is 21. Okay? Now we're going to find the area of the irregular polygon. Okay? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply for this shape. The length and the width is 9 times 20. And here is 12 times 8. Okay? So I'm going to do 20 times 9. That's quick maths, right? Is 0 and 18. So I know this is 180. Now my other quick maths is going to be 12 times 8. 12 times 8. This is 16. This is 8 plus 1 is 96. Okay, boys and girls? Now I need to do my final step, which is to find the area of this whole shape. And all you got to do is add the two shapes' areas, right? So I got 180 plus 96. We're doing addition. So we got 6, 17, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the area of my irregular polygon is 276 units squared. Okay? If you have any questions, please place them in our Google Classroom. If you're doing work in the packet, please send me an email. All right? I'll talk to you tomorrow or later on Google Class.